Now, outside the courtroom, a lot of talk today on security and making sure any trial and courthouse is safe once this case does go to court. My colleague Theo Keith over at the Capitol today tracking the money, as well as news today that Minneapolis police down 200 officers just in the last couple of years. Theo, a big manpower issue in the city.
No doubt about that, Paul. How about this stat as the trial looms? 20% of Minneapolis's sworn strength is on leave tonight as it stands. Minnesota public safety officials expect that the total cost for securing the Chauvin trial will reach somewhere around $35 million. Governor Tim Walz wants the state to pick up the tab, but Republicans say it should be up to the city of Minneapolis.
And they have a very poor attitude about police, and that has created a problem with people wanting to help them across the state.
Senate Republicans accuse Minneapolis of failing to keep an adequate police force. Now they want to cut Minneapolis's funding to repay cities that send in police during Derek Chauvin's murder trial.
Minneapolis, it needs to pay their bills. There's just no excuse for not doing that.
Republicans say Minneapolis failed to pay $137,000 for mutual aid during the summer 2020 riots. On Twitter, Mayor Jacob Frey disputed that, saying the city has just one finalized invoice for a few $1,000s, and almost all cities that provided police help never sent a bill. Governor Tim Walz wants lawmakers instead to pass a $35 million security fund that would cover Minneapolis's costs. Republicans say no, it's a bailout.
It will hamper our response if they don't move. And this is what the legislature is supposed to do. They have ample opportunity to do this, and I would just encourage them to move.
Police staffing in Minneapolis is incredibly thin. The mayor says there are 200 fewer available officers than 2 years ago. Last month, 139 officers were on leave, meaning there were effectively 650 cops for a city of more than 400,000. Despite the fight over who pays for outside help, Walz's public safety commissioner says he's confident the state will hit its target before the trial.
I think at one point we were looking to try and fill hundreds and hundreds of cops, and the last week we were at under 100 cops that we were still trying to fill the vacancies.
For all the back and forth about who pays, it might still end up being the state. The state of Minnesota is heavily involved in the security planning, and of course the state would already be picking up the cost for the Minnesota State Patrol response, as well as the Minnesota National Guard, though guard costs are often reimbursed by the federal government. Live at the Capitol, Theo Keith, Fox 9.